So I want to share a little story. That empty spot right there, and right at that trailer, and behind that trailer, I used to park a large white box truck while I was going to MATC, Madison College, for industrial maintenance mechanic. I lived in my truck at this spot and a couple of others I'll show you for 2 years. So down this street here is an industrial because of box trucks. So right here I would stay, and where these three cars are, I would park my large box truck because you can't park them overnight in residential areas. Now this is 2 Wisconsin winters that I endured as well as I was trying to get through Madison College. Here is another spot, both left and right of the street. It's called Dickinson, right in front of the State Historical Archival place. Now we're going to come up on what used to be storage buildings. They've been torn down now, but both left and right at that location right there, both sides of the street. I parked my truck, and that place, I was in 2 tornadoes. The tornado actually blew the roof off of this storage building here. Oh well, once again, living in a box truck. So now I used to stay here just like those vehicles are parked. And then I used to stay right up here in front of this black truck. And a situation happened while I was staying there is, I guess, a water main broke. August 3rd, 2017. It was my birthday. I worked for a guy named Sean Hauser, Tree Service, and started a program called the Bridge Program for older students getting back into technical school. I woke up with a cop banging on the window, and I kind of got in his ass because I didn't do nothing, and it was like 1:30 at night. The water department guy, that building right there, was with the police officer, and he told me, he says, "Hey, you gotta back up, you gotta back up. You're right on top of a water main break. Right here. And the road's gonna collapse." So, long story short, I didn't fall in the hole. The truck didn't either. And I had to move, of course. So now this place we're gonna come up now is called the Beacon Day Shelter. It's for everyone that's homeless. And you'll see there's gonna be a lot of black gates and wrought iron all around it, like these gates here. You see this brown up there, and that's because you get a lot of homeless people loitering, and MG&E wanted to exclude them. So now this place here is called the Beacon Day Shelter. I survived here by using their shower facilities and, to be honest, their lunch program. You get a lot of charity organizations come in and they take turns feeding the homeless, right? They bring in meals and whatnot. So you never are hungry. They say there's a hunger problem, but I think there's ample food. It's just how we use it. So once again, this place here, the Beacon Day Shelter, I want to say thanks a lot to them because that helped me through those cold winters and proper hygiene. Now, there's a lot of people in the homeless community, hey, they don't conform to society, so some people may call them nuts and, whatever they're going through, but if you use them kind of facilities right there, just mind your own business and stay on track of what you're trying to do, because that is not a healthy lifestyle. So I just wanted to share that with you.